In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 tips to make money from blogging. Hey, what's up? Antonio here, emancipatiooccupation.com. Here, showing you the latest tips and tricks of how to make money online with affiliate marketing and various other methods. Don't forget to subscribe to my video below. Hit the notification bell so that you can get more tips such as this. Now let's get into this breakdown of how to make money from blogging. This is for those who have a blog but don't really know how to monetize their blog. If you have a blog and you're not really making money, this is going to be something good for you. So tip number 1. This may be something very easy and something that you've already done, but I'm going to tell you to sign up to 3 to 5 affiliate marketing platforms. Some people call them vendors, some people call them programs. There's many of them out there, all looking to give you money so that you can drive traffic to their products. And they're great products. We have companies that I use such as Sharecell, Max Bounty, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Forum, and there's plenty more out there. So it really kind of depends whether you want to do physical products or digital products. This depends on your niche, right? So I can kind of weave in between both digital products and physical products because of my niche. And what you'll find is that some of these products, some will work better than others. And that's why you have to have so many different networks, because you may have something that's hot for a month and then it'll fall off. Just make sure that you don't have all of your eggs in one basket, because all these programs specialize in certain things. You want to be able to utilize it whenever you desire. You don't want to be controlled by just one platform. Tip number 2, find a niche and create 5 to 7 blog posts about that one niche. I don't want you jumping around creating all these different blog posts about different things, trying to see what's going to work or not. That's not really how you truly test things to make the most money possible. Pick a niche. I challenge you. I know it's difficult. I know you want to touch on everything, but pick one thing. Let's say the survival niche. You want to do something on survival. That's a big one. That's a huge money maker. I challenge you to create 5 to 7 posts about survival techniques and survival products. If you're going to do survival products, I challenge you to choose 1 to 2 products so that you're not having this broad range of things to talk about. If you're going to talk about techniques, strictly talk about techniques. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to get you to do. I'm trying to get you to narrow down and perfect this one thing. It's the same thing with real estate. Same thing that I had. I couldn't close a deal in 2 years, and then all of a sudden I did one technique for 30 days and I closed a $10,000 deal. Same thing here in blog posts and making money from blogging. I guarantee you will see much better results with this here, and it will be a whole lot more easier as you create content if you stick with one particular subject within your niche and you create 5 to 7 blog posts. As you're creating these blog posts, please be mindful of keyword research. This is huge. This is what's going to help you get ranked. This is what's going to help bring those people in that particular niche to your blog post so that they can begin reading. Make sure you do the necessary research. And you do this by using platforms such as keyword.io and Google Keyword Planner. And what you're doing is you're going to try to find these special keywords that get traffic but that are not saturated. Find something that has low competition, about 1,000 searches per month, 1K, and you'll see this. Do you have to be limited to that? Not at all. If you have a very established blog, you can go after stronger keywords, things that get more searches. But if you're just now starting out, you want to find something that has a lower search volume and you target that word. Sorry about that. My voice was acting really funny. Oh, my voice just got deeper. I like that. Based on those keywords that you did research on, yes, this will take a little bit of time. I'm sorry. Then you create those blog posts. After you've done that, then you can move on to tip number 3. Find every possible way to add those affiliate links to your blog posts. Look, this is what it's all about. The fact is, you already may be having a great performing blog post, but you're not making money. Maybe you're just now starting and you're not really getting results. However, You need to remember, it's not the quantity that makes the money from your blog post. It's the quality. What do you mean by that? Well, if I have an awesome blog post and I only have 2 or 3 different affiliate links in there, I'm not really going to make any money. I may make a little bit of money, but I can optimize that blog post so much better. And that one blog post may be so good compared to 5 other blog posts that I just kind of typed up very quickly. And I'm getting traffic, but nobody's really clicking on anything because it's not a quality blog post. So make sure that these blog posts are good, are awesome, are great. Let other people read them. Let other people proofread them. See what they think about it. See if they're interested or disinterested. Make sure you add pictures to all of your blog posts, probably every 2 to 3 paragraphs. I'll say, yeah, about 2 to 3 paragraphs. You want to add a picture because you want to keep that reader engaged. Once they're engaged in your blog post, you sprinkle those affiliate links in there. Have something. Make sure within those subheaders that you have an affiliate link that correlates to those subheaders. Your readers want to buy stuff from you. There's just nothing available to buy. Then as they're going down and they see all of your affiliate links, because you're providing them value, you're helping solve an issue, or you're providing the solution to their question, because that's how they found you anyway, right? They Googled you or they YouTube something. Then make sure they're on the right hand side, that you have affiliate links with banners on the sidebar. And then make sure that up on the header that there's something that they can also click with one of your affiliate links from the affiliate platforms. Then also make sure that you got an opt-in form on the bottom so that you can collect email addresses so that you can send them more offers from those affiliate platforms. Make sure you have affiliate links. Be intentional about this. I'm telling you, once you realize that you can be more intentional about your affiliate links with your blog, I can just about promise you that you will see some type of results. Am I saying that you're going to be a millionaire by tomorrow? No, that's not what I'm saying. But once I figured out that I could create YouTube videos that I already had up on YouTube, and then I begin to purposely place my affiliate links within the description, I begin to make money. Same thing goes with my blog. So I pass that on to you guys. Make sure that you are very intentional about making money by sprinkling those affiliate links within your blog posts and throughout your website, even in the about section, in a contact section. Just be very intentional. You have all that real estate and space. Why not add some affiliate links in there? Now, I'm not saying to be spammy and just put it on like every single word. Please don't do that, because then your readers are never going to come back to your blog posts. But just make sure that you're very intentional about things and you will make money. So that's it. I hope I gave you some awesome golden nuggets. These are things that I do in my business, in my blog posts. I have a couple of blogs. Please don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this. On the bottom, hit the little bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I give you fantastic content. Don't even try to front like I don't. And go in the description below this video. Check and see like the cool free presents I got for you guys. Check out my blog. I got a free video course down there for you guys that shows you how I made $500 to $1,000 per month online. All free methods, no tricks or gimmicks. Leave some fantastic comments below, please. Fantastic ones, not bad ones. We'll get up with you guys later.